Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I made a video. So moving forward, I will try to have the consistency to prepare the videos every day. So alright, before we go ahead and talk about the stock market and the analysis for today, I would like to mention few things about the channel. So the first thing, I have deleted all the previous video on this channel, so it's practically starting from the scratch. Although I have only made 6 to 7 videos before, so it's fine. And let's quickly jump into the analysis for the bank nifty today. uh, I would like to state three things that we will be discussing on this video. The first one is the India VIX. So let's talk about the India VIX for now. So as you can see, it has been up for 1%, which is 1.28, and it is on the 12, which is moderate in my opinion. It is not more than 15 or not less than 10, so which is quite okay. But if you can see the way it has been moved on the last 5 days, it's really a nightmare for the option sellers. So as you can already know that if the India VIX is been increasing, and it is a troublesome for the option seller, especially for the strangle and the straddle players. All right. So let's quickly have a look of the 1 month India VIX chart. So on the previous month, on the 11th of July, it was around 11.32 and it is 12.12. I don't think so. You may notice it's not a big deal, but if you can see on the daily basis, it has been moving 10% on the higher side or the lower side, which is a huge impact for the option sellers. All right. Now the second main thing I would like to discuss about the price action, which is an important aspect in the trading and the psychology of the traders. Alright, so let's have a look on the opening basis. The Let's talk about the previous day. So the previous day end was around 44,129 to let's say 44,082 as of here on the chart. And on the opening today, it fell almost more than 1%. Let's see on the charts now. Let's check the price range. So this was the ending, and as you can see, it is almost more than 1% as it fell on the first 5 minutes of the trading session. And there is a huge support, if you can see on the previous dates and the analysis. There is a huge support. I'm not going to show the everything in the maybe the one glance I will show. I'll quickly show you all the my chart patterns, everything. So there is a huge support for on the bank nifty on the downside of 43,580, and which was respected on the today trading session. On the higher side, we have a resistance at 43,880, but I don't think so it has been perfectly worked out for today, because it has been tested on 1025, and again there was a retracement, and again there was a breakout, but it was not a huge impact on the stock market. So you can say I am not in a positive about the market, and also either on the bearish side. It's currently I'm a neutral. I am playing on the sideways, because the market is highly volatile, especially on the bank nifty. On the everyday, it has been giving almost downside of 1% or the higher side of 1%. It's very hard to make the profit for the option seller if the market is like this in the coming days. So as of the price action, on the downside we can see the 43,580 or 88. On the higher side, this is a huge resistance, which is 44,000, and all based on the option chain as well, there is a huge uh, resistance on the higher side of 44,000. All right, yeah, there is a huge support and also resistance on the 44,000. So this will be a crucial for the upcoming trading session, and we have expiry on tomorrow. We have to keep that in on mind as well, because it might be a little volatile as well. Alright, so on the third side, I would like to show my positions and how I managed the today's trading session despite of the huge volatility. So this is the loss for now, which is let's say 700 with the taxes, that would be 800 rupees. See on my trading uh, strategy, I'm going to open this. I will explain what I have done today. Let's quickly go to zero down. So today on the opening basis, as you can see, there is a 77 LTP over here, which is a negative of 1002 rupees. And if you just can see the charts, it went up to I believe 180. Yes, it went almost 180, almost 200 as well. There was a VIX over here, so just leave that. So it went almost like 170 to 180, and which made me to adjust the further more positions, and I have made a strangle today, which was 43,700 on the call and the put side, and based on that, I actually had a loss of 1800 and a profit of 1227. And earlier I have booked around 1200 and 200 something on the profits when I deployed the strategy, and overall it's actually not impressive, but I ended up with 400 rupees of profit after the taxes. I deducted taxes from this, and I would like to mention the strategy which I have used for this particular trade. It was a strangle and strangle to straddle, and due to the high volatility today, I made a straddle around 43,700 on the opening basis. So which was obviously a mistake, and which triggered my stop loss, and taken a loss of almost 1600, because I had a profit of around 2000, I guess. So because of the particular stop loss, which triggered me to book a profit of 400 rupees. So this is the trading session what happened today. It was really huge volatile, and I have taken a fresh positions as well, which is obviously a strangle, because as I told you, I'm on a neutral basis as of now. So I have deployed a strangle of 42,200 and PE to 45,300 on the upper side, which was on the 50-50 on an average. Now right now there is a loss of 32 or 36. It's not a big deal because I have just taken this position. Let me show you on the platform as well. Okay, there is a loss of 36 as of now, but this is a huge wide range strangle which can allows me to adjust the positions and play with the market for a while. So I am actually excited to see how it goes and how it pays off the strategy. And as of on the August trading month, so far it is all profitable. Let's say I got around 3.5 as of now, 3.5 percentage with a capital of 1 lakh. So let's see how the further trading session goes on. Alright, so this is the analysis for the bank nifty for now. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any doubts or queries related to the market, about the support and resistance, any other queries, please comment below this video. Alright, thank you.